Pero ngayon, wag mo na. Para pakita ko lang sa inyo kung nag-extract nga ba yung data coming from the XML. Okay? So meron na tayong XSL document, okay, and as well as XML document. Now, there's a code na idadagdag natin dito sa XML natin. Okay? Ito is itong line of code na ito is a requirement that you need to put in order for you to link yung XML at saka yung doon sa XSL natin. Okay, ano itong code na to? Okay, follow me, okay? Ang tawag nito? Less than, tapos question mark, tapos XML, dash style sheet. Okay, nakikita ba? Susundan? Okay. So, less than, question mark, XML, dash style sheet, followed by type, okay? Type attribute, ano yung type attribute? That is text/XSL, okay? And then, href, okay? Ano ulit ang href attribute? Ano nilalagay natin dito? Kung link sana, so kung ang core tag, yun yung target link. Okay? So dito, yung target file natin. So since nasa isang folder, okay, yung XSL ko saka XML ko, okay, we could just simply put the value of href na is, ano pangalan ng XSL natin? Student XSL, tama?
Yes, sir.
Student XSL dot XSL. Okay? Lilink natin siya. Ngayon, tanggalin ko muna 'to, Control X ko muna. Kung kanina, kapag ni-view mo si XML, ganito siya. Okay? Ngayon, nung naglagay tayo ng, ayan, ito, okay, nung code na to, nung nilink natin yung XSL, magiging itsura na is ganyan. Okay? Okay, sadly, ganito in the older versions, in all the older versions ng mga browsers, okay, gumagana to, makita mo na sana yung output yan. Okay? Dapat meron na yan, supposedly. So, last year ata yun. Ewan ko kung kailan ako nag-SSL, medyo matagal na. Dapat may makikita ako dito. Okay? Pero as I've searched nung mga nakarang araw, okay, there's a compatibility issue with regards to XSL at sa mga browsers nowadays. Okay? Now, so by the way, very still useful pa rin siya kasi there are some applications na nakita ko na gumagamit pa rin ng XSL, lalo na sa paglagay ng style sheet sa ating XML. Okay? Pero again, there's maraming paraan. There's always there's a variety of way na pwedeng gamitin just to extract information coming from the XML and pwede nyong ilagyan ng style. Maraming paraan using other platform. Okay? Depende sa programming language, depende sa language na gamit nyo. Okay? Now, wala tayong makita. So to solve the issue, we're going to use a simple PHP script. Okay? So ngayon gagawa ko ng PHP code that will extract the information, okay, coming from the XML. Okay? Yan. Mag-declare ako ng PHP code dito. Nakikita ba? Nakikita nyo? This piece of code will load XML and XSL file. Bubulol ako sa XSL. Okay? Now, I'll just simply write an XML code here. I write a variable XML and then instantiate natin yung DOM document. Okay, that's needed. Okay, and then we use that XML to load the document. Okay? So Control S muna natin. Save natin sa isang folder. Okay? Kasi pangalan ko as sample.php. Okay, save natin. So as you can see now, sa my screen ko, tatlo na yung nasa folder ko. Sample, PHP, XSL, and XML. Okay? Ngayon, next thing is, ano yung magiging value nito? Okay, ang lalagay natin dito is yung, i-locate natin yung load, sabi nga, i-locate natin yung XML file. Since nasa isang folder sila, so we could just put here student.xml.xml. Okay? Okay, this will load. Okay, this will extract the file na student.xml. Okay, in this PHP script. Again, simple lang to Copy and paste natin to. Okay? Palitan natin si variable na XLS. Siya variable sa XML into XLS. Okay, same Kaya lang dito ang reload naman natin is si XLS document. Okay, this PHP script will transform and combine the two files, which is the XML and si XSL. Okay, so i-load muna natin si XSL. Anong pangalan ng XSL? Student XSL.xsl. Tingnan ko typo ako yung mga basic con natin. Next code will be the configuration of the transformer. Okay, I will just create a variable here named proc for procedure equal to new XSLT processor. Okay, semicolon. Okay, this piece of code will configure the transformer. Okay, and next is to attach the XSL rules. So I will use the declared variable here and assign this one. Import style sheet. Okay? Then $sign XSL. Okay? Ang content nito is yung ano ba yung style sheet natin? Siyempre yung content ng XSL. Bakit itong $sign XSL ang nilagay ko dito? Kasi nga yun doon naka-save. Okay? Yan yung variable na kung saan ang value niya is yung mismong XSL file. Okay, you're going to import style sheet. Saan ba nanggaling si style sheet? Siyempre sa XSL file. Okay? And this with semicolon. No, pwede natin gamitin ng echo. Okay, para may display yung value na nasa proc natin. And we use transform method. Ayan. To XML. Okay? On this piece of code, we're going to not only display but also transform to XML yung what? Okay? Siyempre, the XML. Okay? Ayan siya. Okay? Again, these two piece of code, ito, kinopy and paste lang natin to, will just load yung dalawang file natin, which is yung the XML and then the XSL. Now, This one will configure the transformer. Okay. And this one will just import the style sheet. Okay. I'll just declare a variable and save, okay, the output for this method in this variable, and then transform to XML. Can i-echo natin yan, okay, containing the XML variable. Okay, so save natin. Ayan, save natin, and let us ayan yung sample ko kanina sa section. Let us locate. So localhost natin, ano yung con natin, yung folder natin? Ano yung folder natin? XML, 2A and 2B. Okay? And then let us see sample.php. Oops. I have here an error. XSL.
Ay, typo ka, sir.
Saan banda?
Yung XLS, sir. Second variable.
Okay. XSL, sorry. Undefined. Yeah, sorry. XLS. Okay? Oh. XML, XSL. What's the error then? XL ba? Import style sheet. Import style sheet, that is XSL. Just let me check my code. XSL load, okay, semicolon, .pm document. Tama naman na, proc. See, what's okay? Save kumato, save, and save. Wait, mag-troubleshoot lang ako.
Doon nata sa XSL, sir. Yung HTTP po kulang ata po ng P.
Wala po lang picture.
Yung sa ano po, sir, XSL po.
XSL natin.
Sorry, you are.
Okay. Shit. Pero hindi. Nasa PHP tayo. Wait lang. Let me just get consonant group. Get consonant gagana. Sa PHP muna tayo. So okay lang yun. Even though kung yung URI kasi, even though blank yun, gagana pa rin yun. Dito sa XSL. Bakit? Ako check kung yung configuration pala. Wait lang, let me XML, new document, new DOM document, XML, load, student XML, load. Sige, kung may nakikita kayo, check nyo nga yung kwan, just help me na lang. Proc import style sheet. That would be XSL. XSL, tama na yung variable naming natin. Proc XSLT.